So if you have been struggling on how to make bands for your joggers, your trousers, or whatever, this video is for you. If you don't know how to get it right, whenever you make it, it ends up being bent or whatever. This video will teach you on how to make it the right way. So you have to just grab your seat and watch carefully. So guys, let's get into the video. So the first thing I have to do right now is to fold my fabric into two. So this fabric is on fold and I'm going to be measuring 2.5 inches. So just follow carefully. I'm going to measure 2.5 inches from this fabric as is on fold. So just go ahead and fold whatever fabric you're using for your band. So you go ahead and fold it into two and mark 2.5 inches. Now that I've done that, what I'm going to do is also the length. So the length I'm using right now is 30.5 inches. So that is what I'm using. So what's how you to get yours? You just measure around the trouser you are making, and whatever you get, you can add about 1 inch or half inch to it, just the way I did mine. So I added half inch to it. So guys, I hope you understand. And I've done that, I'm just cutting out the excesses from this our band we have folded. I hope you understand me. Please pay attention carefully so that by the end of this video you'll be able to make one for yourself. Now that we have done that, what I'm having right now is 2.5 inches. I hope you can see it clearly. Now that we have done that, I'm going to come over from the up part, the folded part. I hope you see it. I'll be marking 1 inch. I hope you're seeing. Just mark 1 inch. Just go ahead and do it. Just trust what we are doing. Now that I've done that, I'll also come from this part that the chalk is, and I'll go down and mark another 1 inch. Go ahead and do exactly the same thing on yours. So we are marking 1 inch. I hope you see it. This is it. Now you can see it's remaining half an inch at the down part as we have marked 1 inch. Now that we have done that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to come over and sew these lines we marked 1 inch where the chalk is. So I will just go over to my sewing machine and sew those lines. I hope you understand. Just go ahead and do it. And guys, you can see I've gone ahead to sew it. This fabric is black. I don't know whether you can see it, but I just tried to show you so you can see it. So I hope you see. Yeah, this is it. Now you can see the length is still 30.5 inches, which is 30.5 inch. I hope you understand, please. So if you notice, the band length is not the same with your waist length because it is a joggers. So I hope you understand. Pay attention carefully. Now the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go over and bring my elastic. So for this we are using a 1 inch elastic because remember it's 1 inch we kept for this elastic. So it's why 1 inch we sewed is for our elastic. Now the waist I'm using for this is 24 inches. I hope you understand. It's 24 inches. So what I will do right now is to minus 4 inches or 5 inches from my actual waist measurement. So as my waist measurement, the waist I'm using is 24 inches. I'll minus 4 inches, and what is going to give me is 20 inches. So in the video you can see it was what I measured was actually 23 inches. So I forgot to minus it that point, but I later minused it from the band before I put it into this casing of our band. I hope you understand, please. So go ahead, whatever your actual waist measurement, minus about 4 inch or 5 inches from it. Now that I later have this part, I've already minused it, and what it was there was 19 inches right now. So I'm just passing it out. I hope you see the band into the first casing of where we marked our 1 inch. So please, when you are passing it, don't allow it to bend. Do not allow it to bend. Do not allow it to bend. Make sure it's straight. Don't bend your hand so that at the end of the day your band will not be looking bent. So let me show you carefully. So I hope you're seeing the way I'm putting it. Don't allow your hand to get bent so that your band will not end up being bent and looking tacky. So just follow what I'm doing. So make sure you're careful at this point. Just keep on going forward with it. Make sure you don't bend your head. Make sure you don't bend your hand and the band. So just keep on putting it in this casing. So you see, we have put it in the first casing, and I've gone ahead to secure the edge. Now we are putting this other band on the second casing. So when you're cutting your elastic, you're cutting two elastics, one for the first casing and the other one for the second casing. I hope you understand, guys. Please watch carefully. And guys, this is it. I hope you see what I'm having right now. So I was just making sure this part was straight so that we don't have a bent band. So I hope you see. Now I'm going to go ahead to my sewing machine and secure those ends together, those 2 points end. And guys, I've gone ahead to secure it. I hope you see. Yeah, this is what we have right now. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is to go over to my sewing machine and stitch this part, and I'm going to attach it on our joggers or our using the remaining ½ inch. So we'll use it to attach it on our joggers. So guys, that is it. So your band is ready. You can see how neat and beautiful it's looking. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment in the comment section. I like this video, and if you know someone it will be beneficial to, share it to them. Thank you so much.